Hi, it's Kerry. Welcome to the farm today. I've got some new Holstein cattle, and here is the cow. The Holstein Friesian breed of large dairy cattle originated in northern Holland and Friesland. Its chief characteristics are its large size and black and white spotted markings, sharply defined rather than blended. These cattle are believed to have been selected for dairy qualities for about 2,000 years. They have long been widely distributed over the more fertile lowlands of continental Europe, where they are valued highly for their milk-producing ability. The Brahman cow. The Brahman is characterized by a pronounced hump over the shoulder and neck, horns that usually curve up and back, and drooping ears. The Brahman bull. Sanctity of the cow. In Hinduism, the belief that the cow is representative of divine and natural beneficence and should therefore be protected and respected. The cow came to symbolize a life of non-violent generosity. Because the cow supplies milk and nourishment, the cow was associated with motherhood and Mother Earth. The goat, any ruminant and hollow-horned mammal belonging to the genus Capra. Related to sheep, the goat is larger of build, has horns that arch backwards, a short tail, and straighter hair. Male goats are called bucks or billies and usually have a beard. Females are called does or nannies, and immature goats are called kids. The Arabian Horse, the mare. The Arabian Horse is the earliest improved breed of horse. They were developed in Arabia by the 7th century. The Stallion. The Arabian Horse has contributed its qualities to most of the modern breeds of light horses. It is a compact breed, relatively small, with a small head, protruding eyes, wide nostrils, marked withers, and a short back. And here are two of the mallard ducks. The Black Swan. They feed by dabbling, not diving, in shallows for aquatic plants. Male swans are called cobs and the females are called pens. They do look alike. The Jacob is a British breed of domestic sheep. It combines two characteristics unusual in sheep. It is piebald, which is dark coloured with areas of white wool, and is often polycerate or multi-horned. And here are two rabbits. They are small mammals. The roosters. the silky chicken and her chicks. The black-faced sheep is often called the Scottish blackface as well. Its wool is used for making carpet. It was originally from Scotland, but now is also found in the US, Italy, and Argentina. The Suffolk sheep was developed in England, but is also found in the US these days. Subscribe and like if you like farm animals. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.